My name is Jodi Brennan, and I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager here at Infinity Custom Homes. Infinity Custom Homes has been in the Pittsburgh area for about 12 years now. We are a semi-custom home builder. We have communities throughout the north, some in the south, and we start with floor plans where customers can come to our model homes, they can visit, they can check out the homes, see what fits their family best, and then they can customize from there. We have a design gallery where all of our customers come to do all of their selections, such as cabinets, countertops, appliances, that sort of thing. And then they get to choose all of this stuff from start to finish with our great team. We are currently in our Nantucket model home kitchen. This kitchen in particular, we decided to do a modern look with some wood tones to soften the look up. But when customers come to our design gallery and work with our selection team, they get to choose how they want their kitchen to look. And that's why when we do our model homes, we try to just do all of the different designs out there so our customers get a chance to look at everything.
Wow, Jodi, what an incredible home. I mean, I'm a little speechless. This is absolutely stunning, and just the way that when we walk into this living room space, connecting you right up into this incredible ceiling. Tell me a little bit about the design inspiration behind this.
Sure, this whole house, we went modern, but yet we have brought some rustic feel into it with the wood tones, but we wanted to stick to more of a modern look in this house. And this two-story great room with the windows, the fireplace is stucco. We really were able to bring it all together.
It's just absolutely magnificent. And the color scheme is just literally carried through the entire property.
Correct.
And I am just absolutely blown away by how you carried it into the kitchen space. So let's head this way and kind of talk about this absolutely gorgeous kitchen. And I'm really brought in by this beautiful, huge island here.
Our islands are totally customizable. This one in particular, we decided to keep the modern look, but then add the butcher block to the end there. So I think it really brought what we're trying to do in here. And we'll talk more about the rest of the kitchen, but the wood tones, just everything about the kitchen really turned out how we had hoped.
Yeah, it's absolutely stunning. And what I am really loving is how seamless the cabinetry and appliances are throughout this entire space, and it just takes you right up to the ceiling. And I just love the seamless design of this built-in refrigerator freezer with a wine column.
Oh yes, yeah, and what we did with this is we were able to put a panel ready on both of them. So it's kind of the wine column sticks out, it looks gorgeous. And then the freezer and refrigerator are kind of hidden, and the hardware matches everything else in the kitchen. So it just all flows so nice. But yeah, we were able to make it all match, and it really, really looks great.
It's so sleek. And not only is this just two-tone, this is almost tri-tone cabinetry,
Right.
Which is really unique. And I love too the lighted cabinetry.
Now, one thing you may not notice is we do have a secret pantry. We'd like to keep it hidden because obviously we all have stuff on our counters, and you don't want it in this beautiful kitchen. So we definitely recommend people think about that. As you'll see, it has the same doors and almost looks like just a cabinet in the house.
You would never know.
I know.
It's like a secret little, it's kind of, it's more than a pantry. It's
Yes.
like a little room in there.
Yeah, you could go hide in there and have your coffee.
I love that. Well, let's check this out. This oven is just absolutely beautiful. So tell us a little bit about this.
Sure, one of my favorites. Like when we design these kitchens, as I've been saying, we like it to flow. So the great thing about the cafe appliances is you can customize those. And we did a matte black here that kind of went with the whole flow of the black, and then the countertop backsplash, it just all flowed together, and it turned out so nice.
It really did. And what's really beautiful is how you split the colors of the appliances. So over here we have the white, and then in the island we have the black, which just creates this beautiful seamless presentation. A great way to customize your kitchen is by selecting appliances that allow you to choose different colors and finishes. In this home, they selected Cafe, which allowed them to seamlessly integrate the appliances into the design of this kitchen.
Yeah,
really
I mean, there's
smart.
endless possibilities when you're, designing a kitchen, and that's why in our model homes we like to showcase these things. Still have the functionality for our customers to see how would I do this. Everyone's different, but we have definitely many different designs to show. This is one of my favorites, but we definitely can make people's dreams come true for sure in the kitchen.
Well, the thing too about this space is it's like a very clean, sleek, modern, but it also has a very timeless vibe to it. So this home just seems like it's just going to stand the test of time.
I think so. And you know, just again, bringing in the different materials into the house and the kitchen is a way to make it feel warm and cozy too. And I think that's what people are doing now when they're trying to entertain and cook in their house, and everyone's sitting around the island. So
I love it. Jodi, thank you so much for taking the time to give us a tour of this absolutely incredible space today.
We're so glad you were able to come see our Nantucket model. We do have plenty of others where this came from if you'd like to stop back anytime.
Would love that.